So welcome students. In this question you given that A bar is parallel to B bar cross C bar. As if B bar and C bar are two vectors. A bar is in the direction of B bar cross C bar, that is A bar is perpendicular to both B bar and C bar. A bar is perpendicular to the plane of B bar and C bar. So if B bar and C bar are in the plane, A bar will be perpendicular to the plane. And if that is so, you are asked to find the value of this A bar cross B bar dot A bar cross C bar plus A bar cross B bar dot A bar cross B bar cross C bar. So out of this term is very easy. So A bar cross B bar cross C bar. So you can see that A bar and B bar cross C bar are parallel to each other. These two are parallel to each other. So the cross product will be equal to 0. So if two vectors are parallel, the cross product is equal to 0. So this whole term will be equal to 0. You don't need to consider this term, that is equal to 0. So now you have to concentrate on your first term. So A bar cross B bar dot A bar cross C bar. So now what is A bar cross B bar? So A bar cross B bar is nothing but mod A bar into mod B bar into the sine of angle between A bar and B bar. So which is A bar and B bar, you can see that because A bar is parallel to B bar cross C bar, the angle between A bar and B bar as well as A bar and C bar is 90 degrees. So sine of angle between A bar and B bar is 90 degrees times a vector P bar. So where P bar is perpendicular to A bar as well as B bar. Where P bar is perpendicular to A bar as well as B bar. And times dot mod A bar into mod C bar into sine of angle between A bar and C bar is sine 90 degrees into a vector Q bar which is in the direction perpendicular to A bar and C bar. So now as you can see, sine 90 is 1, sine 90 is 1. So mod A whole square into mod B bar into mod C bar into, so you can see that P is a unit vector. P and Q are unit vectors which are perpendicular to A and B as well as A and C. P bar dot P cap dot Q cap. So as you can see, P is a unit vector, Q is a unit vector. So P bar dot Q bar is nothing but cos of theta, where theta is the angle between P cap and Q cap. So now if you carefully analyze what P cap and Q cap are, so you can see that P cap is perpendicular to A bar as well as B bar. So if you take B bar as this vector, so you want a vector which is perpendicular to A bar as well as B bar. So you get a vector in the plane of B bar and C bar which is perpendicular to B bar. So you get a vector perpendicular to B bar. So this B bar will be rotated through, because A bar is already in a plane which is 90 degrees. So just B bar will be rotated through 90 degrees, and that is the direction of P cap. Similarly, Q cap is perpendicular to A bar and C bar. A bar and C bar. So just C bar will be rotated through an angle of 90 degrees. So if theta is the angle between B bar and C bar, P cap is the vector B bar rotated through 90 degrees. Q cap is a unit vector in the direction 90 degrees with C bar. So what will be the angle between P bar and Q bar? This will also be equal to theta. B bar is rotated by 90 degrees, C bar is rotated by 90 degrees. So the angle between them remains same. So this is same as the angle between B bar and C bar. So that is equal to mod of A whole square into mod B bar into mod C bar into cos of angle between B bar and C bar is B bar dot C bar. So option A is the right answer to this question. Thank you.